An important part of accounting is being able to communicate effectively to the target audience, for example, the directors of a company, the financial performance of the business. There are many different ways to communicate this by displaying its data, but some can be complicated and difficult for people with limited accounting knowledge to understand. Xero and Excel can be used together to make this data easier to communicate to the target audience. By exporting the data from Xero to Excel, we can pick and choose what we want to keep and what is not important to simplify the data. We can then produce a pivot table and look into the different aspects. I have chosen to look at Xero Electrical's accounts receivable accounting transactions. I wanted to specifically look at the customers and whether they are making multiple payments on credit throughout the year, as well as if they have paid the invoice that was sent out to them and how long they usually take. At the moment, this data that has been selected is very random and confusing. However, if we select just one of our customers, we can see that the invoice was sent out in May and they paid in June, as did this customer, who the invoice was sent out in December 2019 and they paid the invoice in January 2020. If we look at another customer, Bayside Club, we can see that their invoice was sent out in May, but they also made a large payment in May. We can also see they have 2 more invoices that have been sent out in July of 2019 and February 2020, which have not been paid yet. We would also assume that that first payment relates to the May invoice and prior invoices from the previous accounting year that we are unable to see. This means that the July and February invoices have not yet been paid, or at least have not been paid in this accounting period. Looking at this, Xero Electrical would be worried that it is taking too long for this customer to pay the invoices. We can also choose to look at just the invoices that have been sent out, or just the payment. There are many other things that we can that this can be used for, like what areas of the country your customers are from, or the typical age range of your customers. All it takes is to consolidate the data and use this data to produce pivot tables and charts. I hope you found this useful. Thank you.